Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I want to show you that how to enable the dark mode on your Instagram web or your Instagram in your laptop or PC. I will show you the three methods that how to do this. So in first method you have to just simply log into your Instagram account on your PC or laptop, and here at this home page you have to just click on the three lines at the bottom left corner, and here you can see an option of the switch appearance. You have to just click on it. You can see that the dark mode has been enabled here. If you are using the developer mode in your Instagram on your PC or mobile like screen of your Instagram in your PC, so let me guide how to enable the dark mode for this case. So in order to enable the dark mode for this case, you have to just right click anywhere on this page and then click on the inspect. So at this interface you have to just select the dimension for the iPad Pro. If you not find here this option, then you have to just click here and then click on the edit. So here a new list will open for you. Here you can see a lot of the devices. You have to just select for the iPad Pro, and after this it will be added to your dimension list, and then you have to just close this page and you have to just again click on your dimension list here and then select here for the iPad Pro. So at this dimension you have to just click on the three lines at the bottom left corner, and here in this menu you can see here the switch appearance option. You have to just click on it, and doing so the dark mode will be enabled. So after doing so you can choose any of the dimension according to your requirements, and that dimension will have the dark mode. You can also get this dark mode directly from the third method. You have to just click on the toggle common rendering emulation option here, and then you have to just select the automatic dark mode in the list, and then you have to just refresh this page one time. After refreshing this page you can get the dark mode on your Instagram web easily. So by following these methods you can enjoy the dark mode on your Instagram web. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video, and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.